Today's question: can you migrate Windows on an old drive to a new PC? I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and we'll do this through a process of progression, starting off with the first fact that you should always remember. If you are not a seasoned computer builder, you may not have known this, but just because you buy a new computer does not mean you need a new Windows license, especially if you're decommissioning the old computer or this is simply an upgrade. Keep that in mind and save yourself a few $100s in the process. The second thing is you do not need to reinstall Windows every single time you upgrade hardware in your computer. I would only suggest that you uninstall the old drivers, but even then you don't have to because Windows can work with multiple hardware profiles. Keep that one in mind. You're also capable of upgrading your processor and your mainboard without any significant issues, except for the PK key required for secure boot, which you might want to remember to disable in this case. Because you can change your mainboard, your processor, your graphics cards, and everything else under the sun, it isn't a leap to understand that you can take that hard drive out of that computer and place it into a different computer and run it there. Therefore, do you need to reinstall Windows on a new computer, or can you just take the old hard drive out of that old computer and put it into the other one? You don't really have to reinstall Windows. It is a good suggestion, but it is not a requirement. Like I said, just disable the old drivers. That is a suggestion. It's not required, but you will have to disable Secure Boot to make it work. I hope this answers your question. Like if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can find answers on this question, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, go to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where you can see me play video games between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.